So today we have with us the MIVI DuoPods M40, and without wasting any time, let's just get into the box. Opening up the front, we get a clear image of the earbuds. At the back, we have some important specifications. Everything is fine, but the only thing that caught my eye was the 4-hour battery backup, as MIVI's official site says 6 hours of playtime. So opening up the box, we get a warranty card, which is 1 year warranty. Next we get a USB to micro USB port. Then the MIVI DuoPods and user guide, and also some additional ear tips. While talking about the look and feel, it does seem kind of sturdy and good. The finish on the case is glossy and it does shine a lot, so I'm not a huge fan of the finish here. Now talking about the DuoPods, they do look compact and good as well. The shiny finish on the earbuds, well, they don't look cheap, but a matte finish would add to its premiumness. The only thing that I did not like about these earbuds for now are those red and blue LED lights that keep flashing. This is one of the factors that makes these earbuds look kind of cheap. The earbuds have a good fit in my ears, and well, they do feel lightweight as well. Well, if you want to know about the audio quality, call quality, connectivity, battery backup, and much more, it will all be covered in the upcoming review video. So that is it for today. I really hope that you can subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.